Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how we discuss with you ZComfort Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece. So you might be wondering, what is ZComfort here? ZComfort here is an anti-snoring mouthpiece designed to be worn while sleeping. Now, according to the official website, it works by gently moving the jaw forward, which the company says helps open the airway and reduce the tissue vibration associated with snoring. Now, it is marketed for adults 18 and older. So as you can see right now in their website, and basically, it is described as helping prevent teeth grinding. Now, the mouthpiece here, or the mouthpiece, is made from BPA and latex-free medical grade materials, and is designed to be molded for a more customized fit. Now, the website says it allows you to open and close your mouth while wearing it and can be adjusted with different jaw positions. One mouthpiece is advertised to be up to like 8 months of use, as you can see right now. Now, how to exactly use the ZComfort anti-snoring mouthpiece here? Now, this is from their website. Now, you first need to place the mouthpiece on a 70 to 80 degrees Celsius water for around 30 seconds to soften it. Now, put the softened ZComfort into your mouth and bite down for around 30 to 60 seconds to mold it around your teeth and jaw. Then place it in a cold water for about 1 minute to cool it and set its shape. Now, if the fit isn't right here, the website says you can repeat the molding process 1 to 3 times here, but do keep in mind that do not overdo it. So just in case, it may get too loose in some cases. But yeah, now currently the official website here lists ZComfort here at around $36 as of this moment from the original $72.99 pricing here. So they do offer a promotional pricing as of this moment. Now, they also mention a free worldwide shipping here if you do proceed on buying from them. And they also offer a 13-night money-back guarantee as well. Now, in simple terms here, ZComfort here is a reusable mouth guard that uses forward jaw position as its stated method of addressing snoring, while a heat molding process to create the fit. Now, if you're interested with this product here, since this is a product intended for snoring and sleep-related concerns here, consulting a doctor or qualified healthcare professional before use is recommended, particularly if you have sleep apnea or other sleep-related condition here, just to be on the safe side. And also doing your own research and reading reviews outside their website is also highly recommended here, just to make sure that you're getting the best out of your money. Now, buying the product itself is actually quite simple. You just need to click on the add to cart button here and just proceed with the checkout page here. It works like any other kind of store out there, but that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.